Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add horizontal lines transition in CapCut PC. Alright, so select your videos or photos you want to edit, the track. So I set the image duration in 1.07 and I'm going to select the transition and select glitch. So you can find horizontal lines, just click add to track. Alright, set the duration in 0.5 second and apply to all the clip. Sorry, just put the 0.3 second for the duration and apply it to all the clip, and go to effect, select the um, chromatic, just for the option right here. Alright, so this is the final effect you have in your video. You can also add the audio and text and anything you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.